morning. Hello. It is a new week. We're off to a productive-ish start. I did have some depression naps yesterday. But yeah, wasn't as bad. I know I left the last vlog off in such a bummer mood and just so mopey. And I don't know, I just wasn't feeling mentally good. Yes, Pumpkin. She wants to go wake her papa up. But we're in a better mood this week. We're doing good. We're feeling better. I think it was just hormones. It happens. But I went to Walgreens last night and ended up venturing around the makeup section. And I think I got more hair stuff than I did. Yeah, I definitely just bought a bunch of hair stuff more than I did makeup. But I figured I'd show you what I got real quick while we're hanging out here. So let me flip-flop you around. All right, so I got another lift and snatch here because I was getting ash brown and I think it's too light for me. But I think I had the darkest shade, which is black, which is too dark, obviously. So we're going with espresso. We're going to see how this shade works out. Like I needed a middle ground color. So we'll see how this one goes. And I picked up the original telescopic just because I want to see how this does. I remember my mom using this one, I think, back in the day. So I'm just curious. I want to revisit this. It's been probably since I was in high school. So yeah, picked that up. I found some scalp treatment with rosemary. I wanted to try this. I've heard good things about rosemary and mint on the scalp being good for promoting hair growth. Hello, can we focus? It's supposed to, strengthen and hair growth and all that. Here's a better look at it. And it's like one of the few things that's actually, I believe, proven aside from using like Rogaine to actually help with hair growth and stimulating the scalp. And apparently it's supposed to be good for split ends too. So yeah, we're gonna give this a go. I've been meaning to pick some up and I just saw it on end cap and I was like, oh yeah, this stuff. So I got that, picked up some gel. I don't remember if I have used the Curl Talk gel. If I have, it's been a very long time. So I figured I'd pick some up to try and see how I feel about it. And why is there always crumbs up here? Got some curl defining cream from Kristen S to use because I used up all my curl defining creams. And this one's for fine to medium curls. So yeah. And I found my hairspray. They repackaged it, that's all. And I'm a doofus and didn't read I was just looking for the bottle. I wasn't actually reading what everything is called. So yeah, they repackaged it and kind of renamed it, looks like. So here's the alcohol-free hairspray. It's the same thing I Googled as my air spray that I used to get. So yeah, just new packaging and they had on sale. So I got 2 of them. All right, and the goodies from Sugarpill arrived. This is the Oh Honey collection with Trixie Mattel. So excited about this. How pretty is that? Like, I love the design they used. Very nice. And this is like the inner packaging that the palette was in. Like it was in here. How pretty. I'm going to try to get this out. It looks like it's kind of perforated. And I want to see if I can like frame that because that's so pretty. I love it. And look at Trixie. Look at her. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So yeah, we got that. And more crumbs. And here's a look at the palette itself. How cute. I swatched it already. It swatched beautifully. Like the quality looks amazing when I swatched it. The shadows feel really nice and smooth. This blush is gorgeous. It's kind of like, it reminds me a little bit of NARS Orgasm. Like it's so pretty. Like it's not as pink as NARS Orgasm or something. There's something about this that's really pretty. Gorgeous gold sheen in it. And then, of course, really pretty eyeshadows. I liked that it had like the purples in there. I thought that was really neat. And this one right here, it's a matte with a ton of glitter in it, and it actually like sticks to your skin and shows up. So that's really pretty. I love it. And the gold is gorgeous. Like, this is so pretty, very inspiring. I'm looking forward to playing with this. I feel like you could definitely get some softer looks using like these shades and some really fun dramatic looks. And yeah, really nice palette. It's got a good mirror in it. Good stuff. And then the 3 lippies. I think when you buy this, one of the glosses does come with it. And I bought the other separate lip kit as well. The lip duo. So it's 2 different glosses in the collection. And they, at first I was like, is that the same thing? But now when you actually swatch them, they are really different. Well, not really different, but pretty different. One has a really pretty gold shift and looks gorgeous. These are those really pretty, like, juicy metallic type glosses with the duochrome in them. I love those kind. And it's just really pretty. But yeah, this one has a gorgeous, like, golden shift in it. And this is the shade. There's a shade written on here. Here it is. I think this one's called Honey Drip. Yeah, this one's called Honey Drip. Golden kind of pearlescence in it. So pretty. And then this one's more pink, pinky gold shift within it. Really pretty. I love this color. And this one is called Sugar Coat. My nails match. That was accidental. Wow. And then we have the lipstick, which is really pretty. A little bit of a warm, neutral pink. Really nice liquid lipstick shade. It's all kind of so pretty looking in there. But I swatched it. It swatched out pretty. Looks nice. And this is in the shade Sweet Tooth. And even on the label, if I can get to focus on that, it's got like the little bee. How cute is that? Like, so nice. Just the attention to detail here is great. And these feel very luxe feeling. That these don't feel cheap. And even though this is cardboard, it doesn't feel cheap. And I like the attention to detail within like the packaging and everything is so nice. It's that kind of soft touch feel. Really impressed with this. So I'm looking forward to playing with that today. That's pretty much how my day's going so far. It is, sun has just come up. It is 6 something rather. I don't know what time it is actually. It might be, oh shoot, it's already almost 8 o'clock. I thought it was way earlier than that. Been waiting for my husband to get up. I want some coffee because I forgot to grab some while I was at Walgreens. Because I knew they have my coffee there at Cafe Bastillo. But I just forgot to grab some while I was in there. And yeah, so I'm out of coffee. And I need to wake me up. I slept a lot yesterday. Like, I took a little nap, but then I laid on the futon while we were listening to a podcast, and I was out, like absolutely just out for the night. And my husband woke me up at like 10. He's like, "Are you ready for bed?" And I snuggled up in bed and went to sleep and slept until 5. I don't know. Just, I was tired, I guess. So, anyway, I'm awake and perky today because I got enough sleep. Hopefully my weird little depression phase is over. I don't like it. It's not fun. But that is my week. I've planned everything out yesterday. Yeah, sit down, got everything planned out in the planner, made notes, scheduled what I need to do this week, all of that kind of stuff. So we're off to a good start. Pretty good start. And yeah, that hair wash I did last vlog did not hold up very well. Yeah, it's just kind of got a bit ratty and stringy looking. But it was pretty for like a day. It was like gorgeous for a day. But that was about it. So I guess I do need to add in the hold products too. It was worth an experiment. Hey guys, happy afternoon. Okay, it's been a bit of a day. We had to go buy a new water heater. So fun, but the company that come to do our little scheduled maintenance and everything was like, hey, your water heater's cracked. We'll replace it and, give you a new one, install it, all that kind of stuff for $4,000. I was thinking, water heaters don't cost nearly $4,000. And so went to a local plumbing store, got one with an extended warranty for $700. Yeah, $4,000 to $700, and the installation with another reputable plumbing company around here will only be around $200. Yeah. So that's what our day has consisted of. But I went and checked the mailbox and got a little something from Huda Beauty here. Got the Faux Filter Luminous Matte Concealer. So here she is. I have it in the shade Whipped Cream. Did I accidentally just get pure white? I might have. I don't know. But I figured we can pop a little bit on under the eyes and just kind of see what it looks like for a second. We're about to head out for dinner in a little bit, but I got a second to piddle around. So I just want to see. Use a little bit of this like right here. What that does. I'll take my sponge and just pat it out. Oh, that looks quite nice. I mean, yep, it's brightening, but that looks really nice. I really wanted to test it. And I don't actually have any concealer on at the moment. I just put like some foundation and the Ole Henriksen stuff. So I was gonna film today, but the plumber, who was supposed to be here at 8 in the morning, by the way, didn't get here until 11. No, it was noon when they got here. And then all they did was go look at the water heater, say that, and then that was it. They were done. Tried to sell us a $4,000 water heater. Yeah. I'm like, what about the rest of the maintenance stuff you're supposed to have done? Hello? What are we paying $100 a year for? I am very bitter right now and quite annoyed with that company. Freaking scammers is what they are, I'm thinking. But yeah, anyway, the place we went, the plumbing place, it's like a local owned place, and they had the most beautiful stuff. I fell in love with this farmhouse sink in there that had like a fluted front on it. It was black. Oh, it was, and just gold fixtures with it. It would be perfection. And I want it. I want it so bad. Put a couple of dots here to highlight. I've been rubbing my nose. My nose is red. Yeah, I'm excited about this concealer. I've never used any of the complexion stuff. So, yeah, I'm excited about that. And I'm also getting an eyeliner from her this week, I believe, as well. But I really was going to play with this today. I was so excited. So ready to play. I just put the blush on, and that's all I've done with this palette. But the blush is gorgeous. It really does look like kind of like NARS Orgasm, but a little glowier. Like maybe more like, is it Dolce Vita from Milani? Very pretty. I'm peeping around to see the viewfinder. It has a really nice glow to it, doesn't it? I like that. I like this little blush. I'm going to put a little bit of the telescopic mascara on. I've put a little bit. I got the black brown shade because I just thought it'd be nice. Something different. This is the weirdest little wand. I don't remember what the wand looked like, and it's been so long. It is so strange. I'm going to put another layer on here. I'm not noticing anything miraculous with this. It's good, but I mean, it's not life-changing. I think the telescopic lift's a little nicer, a little better, but this is good. I mean, it's a good mascara. I've seen some of those pictures of the new one from Maybelline, the Surreal lashes, like some little videos and stuff. no way is it doing what's in those little promos. Because holy crap. Yeah, this does lengthen. But I feel like I've probably used some that were more lengthening. It's nice though. I like the color. I like the black brown. I don't know why I don't buy that more often. And this packaging is really cute. I think my lens is dirty, but whatever. I'll probably put this on. Okay, we have finished up today's video. We actually got the film today after yesterday's kerfuffle of just the most frustrating day. But anyways, here's the look we created with the Trixie Mattel Oh Honey palette and the lip products. I love it. The lashes are a little weird, but whatever. And we're having a really good wash day. I got up early, washed my hair this morning, got it dried and everything, and I think it looks pretty good. Curls and waves are back. And yeah, so we're off to a pretty good start today. Productive day. And I feel like my lens is still kind of dirty looking. I'm trying to get it clean, but I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, so my plans for the rest of the day is to cook those chili dogs for dinner, because we did not have that the other night when I said we were, and edit some footage, have a nice, enjoyable, quiet day at home. But yeah, that was just such an annoying day yesterday. I still am sitting here thinking about $4,000 and just mentally like just raging. But anyway, the Trixie palette performed beautifully, by the way. Look at that. Yeah, and the lip products are beautiful. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Yeah, we're definitely having a pretty good hair day today as well. So I'm happy about that. We're off to a good start on a Wednesday. It's a Wednesday. But anyway, I think me and Pumpkin are going to go import our footage and get some work done, and I'll see you guys in a little while. Hello. Okay. So, Starbucks coffee, of course. It's my dessert. We just got back from dinner. I went and got some sushi for dinner. It was really yummy, and I'm so full. So it's one of those things that, like, you think you can eat like a ton of, and then you're like, oh, I am really full. I cannot finish this. Goodness. Anyway, yes, so we had a really fun day yesterday. We went to Lafayette and we went and ate the most amazing meal. We met up with a friend and her mom at a restaurant in Lafayette and had the best meal ever. It is a rotisserie restaurant, and like all their food is cooked over like a huge open fire rotisserie. Oh, it was so good. Very fancy feeling and delicious. Definitely 10 out of 10. We'll be going back. I've got hair stuck to my eyelash. It's driving me crazy. And then we went to hit up a couple stores, and we went to the Skechers store, and I got a new jacket, which I'll show you here. And I got some new tennis shoes because those were much needed. Was some new shoes. And my husband got some new tennis shoes as well, which is what we were going for, was to get him tennis shoes, but they had buy one get one half off on all the shoes in the store. So I got a pair too. And we basically bought the same shoe, except his don't have laces. They're just slip-ons. It's like, wow. And yesterday we were also wearing the same shirt. We have bought packs of black t-shirts from Target, from the Goodfellow brand. And he had accidentally bought a size too small in one of the bags of shirts. So that were for him to wear as undershirts and just t-shirts or whatever. So I confiscated the ones that were the size too small because they fit me nicely. And I wear them all the time. You see me in black t-shirts constantly. And now I've just kind of pretty much taken over wearing his size as well around the house. So it has now become our t-shirts. And that's the thing. Like, it's, I have my clothes and then we have our clothes. Gus still has PJ pants. Nothing's off limits. And then after that, we met up with some family in Lafayette and we had dinner together. They actually cooked this dinner, so it was really nice, and hung out, played video games, talked about Elden Ring a lot, and I played with puppy dogs the whole time. So I was very happy. I was playing with two little puppies. Well, not puppies, but babies I was playing with, and it was a lovely day, and we didn't get back until like 8 o'clock at night. Lafayette's not that far from me. It's only like what, maybe an hour and a half at the most, but that's like my favorite cities to visit. It is just, the traffic is terrible, but there is so much to do there. There's so many like small like local restaurants and like actual culture, and not just big chain restaurants and stuff like that. There's actually like places like the place we ate that has been there forever. Lots of local owned kind of specialty restaurants and kind of little boutique-y places and bistros. It's a very, very nice place to visit, and there's tons of really good shopping. And yeah, it's always been like, or like since I was a kid, we always went there for like, and spent the day to do like a shopping trip. So me and my husband had such a nice time there. We were talking about just like doing an overnight trip and staying in a cute little hotel, and that way we can spend a little more time and enjoy the city more, because I feel like it's always a little bit rushed because you're driving there and then you gotta drive all the way home, and you know how it is doing like a little day trip like that. It always feels kind of rushed, and it'd be nice to just not be in a hurry and enjoy more than one restaurant and visit more than one little area of the city. But it is like crazy traffic. Like it kind of gives Dallas a run for its money sometimes. It's like, geez. Like, I don't know, I feel like it's almost worse than New Orleans traffic. Because it's not so much the traffic in New Orleans that's bad, it's just the setup of the roads that's annoying. Like it's the one-way streets and that in the French Quarter that's so bad. It's not so much that it's the traffic part of it. Here it's just gridlock. And you're trying to get over to the lane you need in. There's 4 freaking lanes and all going one direction. It's frustrating. But anyway, that was a really nice day. And then today we just had a very chill, relaxing day. Played a little Sims and made a little spider friend. And yeah, then we decided to go have sushi for dinner. So that is what we've done. I'm gonna wrap our little vlog up there. We've done a lot this vlog. I feel like a little more than normal. I feel like I've been kind of boring lately just because I've done nothing. But yeah, we had a nice little outing and lots of good food again. So yeah, I think that will be all for today. I'm about to take a nice hot bath. I think I'm gonna do a face mask and just chill out and have a nice evening and head to bed soon. I've managed to stay on my day schedule. I'm proud of myself. And yeah, that's what's up. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Stay safe and stay spooky. Bye now.